Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, Toiletterian. I bring you fragrances that are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them, and they are fantastic value for money. And I think you should at least go and try them for yourself and do your research and see if they are any good to you. Today I have another Lattafa. You know, me and Lattafa go way back. Unfortunately, I have no idea who runs this company, what they do, because by now they should have recognized that I am the champion for Lattafa on the YouTube and at least get some sort of relationship, but nothing, you know. Unfortunately, there's no recognition whatsoever. So what I do, I'll buy them with my own money and bring them to your attention to see if they're any good to you. You know by now House of Lattafa is one of the Middle Eastern house. They make very beautiful perfumes, usually Orientals. Some of them are copy of big brands, but majority of what they do is actually in the Middle Eastern and Arabic and Oriental style. So if you like that style, like me, I love the Middle Eastern, the Arabic, the Oriental genre. So this house, they make fantastic fragrances for very low price, and they perform very well. They smell nice, the quality is fantastic. You pay much less than what you're getting in for this house. And today I have a very exciting one, because this is Maahir, and this one is from their basically high-end line. The majority of Lattafa go under £20. This one is a little bit more expensive, it's under £30, but mamma mia, look at what you get for 30 and under. Huge box, huge presentation, as you can see. The attention to details is fantastic. The logos everywhere, and let's unbox it. So as I said, I paid under £30 for this one. I will leave in the description below when you can find it for the cheapest. But as always, don't hesitate if you're interested. You should know by now that when I put out reviews, fragrances, I introduce them to you, within a few hours and maximum few days they'll go out of stock, because for a good reason. These are very good value for money, and you get a very good quality with them. The last few videos I put out, within hours they were out of stock, and people were contacting me and ask where can I get it, where can I get it. Well, this is the thing, you know, if you are interested, don't hesitate. Okay, so let's unbox without further ado. So as you can see, Maahir by Lattafa, or shall we say horsehead, because you know our moth had three horse headers. What happened to my English? Anyway, I know nothing. Okay, so it opens up like this, it goes up, and here we go. Look at this gorgeousness. The bottle itself is beautiful. I had to get it just for the bottle. I'm sure, you know, this juice is going to be as good, but for the bottle only, look at it, for under 30 quid you're getting a fantastic presentation. Okay, so we have to open it. Wow, look at that huge bottle, super heavy. The cap is metal, and again very heavy horse head. It's a golden one, and the shape of the bottle is gorgeous. Everything is about it. It says quality. Okay, so let's put this one back, and as you can see, it's velvety inside. Alright, so let's see how is the Atomizer. Fantastic Atomizer, you can control it very good. Okay, so how is Maahir by Lattafa? Okay, it doesn't disappoint. It's quite leathery, it's quite oudi. The oud is quite apparent in the beginning. Wow, it's a little bit spicy, on the spicy side, maybe cumin or something like that, because it's it has a kick to it. But at the moment it opens up with a little bit oud, a little bit of leather, tiny bit of sweetness underlined. There's not much sweetness in there, but it's quite spicy. But I would say it hasn't been done before. Is familiar to me. A little bit on the what do you call it, Lattafa Oud Velvet. It's quite similar to that one, not 100%, but a little bit on that vein, yeah, the leatheriness. Wow, but overall it's gorgeous, yeah. So you got a leather, you got little bit of oud, and you got the spices, and little bit underline the sweetness. Okay, I haven't looked at the note breakdown, so I don't know exactly what's inside. I'm just going by my nose. So this is first impression unboxing. But overall the quality is fantastic. It's like you're getting much higher price fragrance for what you're paying. I paid around £22, which is unbelievable value for money. Okay, it's 100 ml, it's EDP, and people were saying the performance on this is very good. Same as other Lattafas. Lattafas usually they perform around 8 to 10 hours easy, sometimes even longer. For example, with the Velvet Oud, that one is 12 hours plus. So usually they are, you know, they have very good performance. You don't need to worry about the performance. In terms of quality, it's fantastic. Wow, it's very impressive. I can smell some florals coming out now. Yeah, it's quite floral. So it's floral, spicy. I think it's rose. Yeah, it's a little bit of rose in there. So spicy, little bit oudi, leathery, rosy, and underline it a little bit of sweetness, probably in the background some sort of amber or some sort of vanilla. Wow, but overall it's very pretty. So it's pretty, it's unisex, anybody can rock it, any age can rock it. This one I would say to be on the safe side, because a little bit on the mature side, so we say 25 and up to the recommendation age. Obviously if you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't matter. For the application, I think this is very formal, going out, maybe special occasions and things like that. But you know me, I rock any fragrance anytime I feel like it. So usually what I do, I don't go with what season they are best for, or what occasion they are best for, or any of these things. All I do is I go with my mood. If I'm in the mood for this kind of fragrance, I just go with it. It doesn't matter where I'm going, what time it is, what season it is. So anything that my mood takes me, I wear fragrance. It doesn't matter the occasions, it doesn't matter the time, it doesn't matter the season. But because of the videos we make and people ask us, okay Naz, what do you think? And these are recommendation. Okay, so the recommendation, this one is for cooler weather because it's on the quite deep and heavy and complicated, complex fragrance. This one is. So this one is better suited for cooler weather. But as I said, I wear these things anywhere, anytime I like. As I said, age 25 and up, season cooler weather better for it, and is quite on the formal side. What else? In terms of price, as I said, it's under £30. I leave in the description below when you can find it for the cheapest. I'm not affiliated, I don't get anything out of this. It's just to bring them to your attention and make your life a little bit easier by putting the link in the description below. If you know this fragrance, if you have it, if you tried it, please let other people know in the description below, in the comment. And thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you later guys. Thank you very much. Bye.